I do remember now. I thought it was someone else. Home Alone. Got little bits left to do, nothing too much. So started off A-levels and then I'd done a diploma in sport in Llandarcy. Depends what time my sister used to wake us up. It was about 5 o'clock. Put myself up there, to be honest. I'm quite monotone when I'm singing, so not great to listen to. Probably the younger boys get excited, but you've got to still put Reese Webb in. I think he's a big kid at heart and he's always bouncing around. What's the question? Just from fashion sense, I'd probably have to go with someone like Hanno Dirksen. I can't imagine him being very adventurous with his Christmas jumpers. I've forgotten what it is. Fairy Tale of New York. Miracle of New York. Tough question. A lot of the boys, they get quite excited for Christmas, so I wouldn't say there's anyone who would be a Scrooge. I think you'd have to go to the meat and the turkey. Yeah, best part. If you're out and about, travelling groups and not on your own.
Yeah? Fantastic. Thank you.
There was a question at the end, I nearly forgot.